we're going to do another division page. This one is dividing by 2 and 3. And I also have a multiplication table. You should have one in your packet. This is the one I'm sending home in the next packets that'll be coming home next week. But it doesn't matter what multiplication page you use. It's just really helpful. So when you are dividing by 2, I already told you, you're just cutting the number in half. So this is just showing you that if you do 3 times 5, you get 15, and they put that answer for the first one up at the top. Then when you're dividing, you're just doing the opposite. So I want to show you again on the multiplication page. If you were doing 3 times 5, you would look down your 3's column till you get to the 5 here and find your answer. When you're doing division, if they gave you 15 divided by 3 and you're trying to find the answer, you would still look down your 3's column, but now you would look for the 15 and then go across and find the 5. So multiplication, you're looking at the outside numbers. Division, you're looking down the row, or you can go this way, it doesn't matter which way you go, and finding the big number and then looking up the other small number. Kind of like when you add 2 numbers together and get an answer, you can just flip it when you're subtracting, put the big number, and then subtract either one. Fact families, it's the same way in multiplication and division. So it makes it a little easier. So the next one says 3 times 7. So I'm going to look down my 3 times 7 and find my answer. There's a 7, 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. Which means that 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So that's your answer for your second one. 2 times 12. So I'm going to look, I could go this way. 2 times 12, and I already know that one in my head, is 24. And so 24 divided by 2 equals 12. You can look either way. If you look down this way, you still get the same thing. The next one is 2 times 8. See if you can find the 2 times 8. There it is, 16. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. How about 3 times 8? 24. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 3 times 9. It's right here, 27. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. And they gave you 2 blanks to fill in for that one. And then 3 times 6. It's right there, 18. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And that is this page. It goes a lot faster if you memorize your multiplication facts, but if you have a multiplication table like this, you can get pretty fast at it. But I would highly recommend that when you have time, you could even play a game outside where you write your multiplication facts and do almost like a hopscotch or different ways that if you're physically moving as you're repeating your multiplication facts, you're a lot more likely to remember them later on. So you could come up with different motions or activities that you could do while you're saying your multiplication facts. Okay, let me know how it goes.